case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
William Reed, Jr. won a case against Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company in 1977 after claiming the company fired him in violation of the Age Discrimination in Employment Act. The district court initially ruled in Reed's favor and issued a nationwide injunction against Goodyear. However, the company appealed the decision, and while the court reaffirmed that Reed was unlawfully terminated, it also found the nationwide injunction to be too broad. The case centered around the question of whether nationwide injunctions against further violations are appropriate when there is evidence of a company policy or practice in violation of the statute. This turned out to be a crucial issue, as Goodyear had age preferences stated in their job orders, which were difficult to understand. Reed first came into the company as a sales and collection worker at Goodyear's Auburndale store. The manager who hired him testified that he did so specifically because of Reed's age. However, after just 2 weeks on the job, the manager determined that Reed was unfit for the position and discussed his inadequacies with a new store manager. This led to Reed's dismissal on August 11, 1973, and the job was eventually given to a 19-year-old. Ultimately, the court upheld its decision that Reed was discharged due to discrimination and required Goodyear to pay him his owed wages. The judgment to enjoin ADEA Section 4A violations was vacated, and the case was sent back to a lower court for further consideration of the scope of injunctive relief. The court's final ruling in the case was to affirm in part, vacate in part, and remand the case for adjustments to the original ruling.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.